party. I see you've already seen the Halloween surprise eggs. Wow, what's up with Granny? Whoops, looks like Spooky is crashing this party. It's a mystery wheel. What are Spooky's plans? Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. It's going to stop on the skull. No! That was close. Your color is blue. Granny, you have to take the blue color deck. Wow! What a beautiful costume! Come on, Monkey, it's your turn. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Red. Your costume is really cool. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Ouch, ouch! It stopped on the green. What a powerful little witch! Kid's turn. Yeah. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Yellow. Ha. See how this zombie walks. It's so cool. Come on, Kangu. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Orange. What? What just happened here? What a trick! Hey, where are you going, Kangu? That's what Spooky wanted! To steal an egg! No, 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 Spooky! You have to spin the wheel! Spin the wheel! Spin the wheel! Oh no! It stopped on the skull! It's a new costume! And it's so cool! Trick or treat, kids!
Happy Halloween! Trick or treat, Caddy! Treat, of course. Uh-oh, someone is watching us. Dr. Spooky wants lots of candy. What are those costumes they're wearing? Well, the truth is, they're pretty funny. They're at the door, kids. And there they are, Frankenstein and his wife. And in the meantime, Dr. Spooky is going through with his plan. He's going to sneak through the window. But isn't he a little old for things like this? Dr. Spooky has definitely seen better days. What's his spooker got there? A radio? What? Well, let the show begin, I guess. What a show! And there goes Dr. Spooky, rolling like a meatball. That's a lot of candy. Uh-oh, he's going to grab it. Ah! Watch out for the zombie! I've never met such a clumsy villain. Dr. Spooky wanted a treat, but he definitely got a trick instead. Au revoir! Wait a minute, we still need to find out who the zombie is. Ah, it was you, Kit. Happy Halloween, kids.
Hi, Kangoo. Wow, that's a cool costume. Today we're painting monsters. Fantastic. What colors are we going to use? Blue, black, yellow, brown, and white. And what monsters are we going to paint? Werewolf, Wednesday Addams, and Frankenstein. You do a great Frankie. Time to paint. What color is the werewolf's hair? That's right, brown. Now we're going to paint Wednesday's clothes. Of course, Kangoo. Wednesday only wears black clothes. Now let's paint Frankenstein's skin. We all know what color Frankenstein's skin is, right? Of course, green. What's the matter, Kangoo? Can't you find the color green? Let's check the colors in your palette. Blue, black, yellow, brown, and white. That's right! There's no green! Oh, what can we do now? What are you thinking, Kangoo? I see! You're going to mix colors to get green. If you mix blue with yellow, you get green. And now let's paint! Yes! You nailed it! We got it, Kangoo! That's great! See you at the next painting class!